Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund for a money order on Western Union. Whether your money order was lost, stolen, or never received by the recipient, this guide will help you through the refund process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to your preferred search engine. Type in Western Union Money Order Refund exactly like that and press Enter. Look for the first official Western Union website result in the search results. It should be the top link from westernunion.com. Click on this link to access the official refund request portal. You'll be directed to a secure form that you need to complete with your personal information. Start by entering your legal first name and last name, exactly as they appear on your identification documents. Next, provide a valid email address that you check regularly, as Western Union will use this to communicate with you about your refund status. Enter your country code and current phone number where you can be reached during business hours. Fill in your complete residential address, including street address, city, state, and zip code. The form will also require specific details about your money order. You'll need to provide the money order number, the exact amount, the purchase date, and the location where you bought it. You must explain in detail why you're requesting a refund, whether it was lost, stolen, damaged, or not received by the intended recipient. If you don't have the original money order or receipt, you'll need to indicate this on the form and may need to provide additional verification. Carefully follow all the step-by-step instructions provided by Western Union, making sure to double-check all information before submission. Finally, click Continue or Submit to officially file your refund request. Keep a record of your confirmation number for future reference. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below. Thank you for watching.